Okay, let's talk about skills. Skills are super exciting because they really unlock another level of making this a more seamless workflow, right? So the first thing is if you go to the left-hand sidebar, you can see there's a section called Customize, and in that section you have skills. And you can see the different skills that I've worked with. I have some recurring reports. I have a creative report skill, and I'll go into these into a later in a second video. And then there's a skill creator, which helps you create skills. So the way that I get a skill to run is very simple. Let's start a new chat. You go / and a list of skills shows up, and you can say, hey, I want to run, let's just say weekly performance report. You hit enter, it'll run. So for example, what you'll see here, I ran this skill, right? I built it, and then it'll give me this this output, right? So it's very cool. It's very good for repeatable tasks. You can start by just building in the chat, and then when you like it, you can then create the actual report. What's really the difference between what we did previously versus skills is that previously what I would do is I would go up here. I would either add to project, right? So then it shows up in my project. And then I would say, hey, list artifacts. It'll look for this artifact that's added to the project, right? Let me just show you as an example the old flow, just to provide context. So I would say add to project. I would go to my project, demo project, and then you would see it's added right here, right? And then I would go list artifacts, and then I would run it. It's kind of a little bit of a manual approach. You're kind of trying to pull in previous reports that you've ran. Skills simplifies the whole process where you just go weekly performance report, done, and that's repeatable. So it's a very cool way to work with reports within your project. As well as you can also edit these, which I'll cover in the next video, in the chat directly, which is also very cool.